Good morning, children. Check out my science. See the picture here. Chapter 2, pages 18 19. Chapter 2. Open this page. Now we will be doing revision of science. Okay. So, chapter 2, living things move. Children, you know, living things means plants, animals, and human beings are living things. So, living things uh, living things can breathe. Living things need food. Living things feel. Living things move. Living things grow. Living things give birth. Okay. So now point living things move. Okay. Now point living things move. So see here, living things move. Living things can move on their own. Okay. Living things can move on their own. See here a boy swimming. Okay. So we use our legs to move around. Birds use their wings to fly. See here. Wings to fly. Fish with the help of fins. Okay. And a horse galloping. So children, living things can move. A boy swimming, a horse galloping, a bird flying, a fish swim with the help of fins. So, living things move. Okay. Next point, living things grow, but see here an aeroplane. Children, you see an aeroplane? An aeroplane also moves. Is it a living thing? Answer your answer. An aeroplane is a non-living thing. You know, children, aeroplane is a non-living thing because it cannot move on its own. It moves with the help of an engine. Okay. And it's made by man-made things. Okay. So children, an aeroplane also moves, but it is man-made things and it moves with the help of an engine. Okay. So see here, sloth. Do you know sloths are the slowest moving animals on earth? Yes, sloths are the slowest moving animals on earth. Okay. Now children, see here, next point. Living things grow. Yes, all living things can grow. We all grow in height and weight. Animals and plants also grow. Okay. So see, a puppy grows to be a dog. See, and a boy grows to be a man. See the picture here. Okay, a puppy grows to be a dog and a boy grows to be a man. Okay. So children, all living things grow. We all grow in height and weight. So animals and plants also grow. Next page, page 19. Okay, next page is 19. See, living things give birth. Living things give birth. See, all living things give birth to babies. New plants grow from seeds. See here, a hen gives birth to a chick. See, a hen gives birth to a chick. New plants grow from seeds. So children, all living things give birth to babies. New plants grow from seeds. Okay, so living things can give birth. Okay, non-living things. Non-living things do not birth, need food, feel, move on their own, grow or give birth. So, non-living things do not breathe, non-living things do not need food, non-living things do not feel, non-living things do not move on their own, non-living things grow or give birth. See, football, book, rocks. Children, I hope everyone understood this page. Next page, next page, not keywords. See here, keywords. Keywords, natural things. It's very important points is here. Keywords, natural things, things that are found in nature like sun, moon and stars are natural things. And man-made things, things that are made by human beings like table, chair, building and road. Okay, are man-made things. Living things, things that can breathe, need food, move, grow, fill and give birth are living things. Last one, non-living things. Non-living things that do not breathe, need food, move on their own, grow, fill or give birth. Okay. So children, it's very important keywords. Now children, take out your school diary, homework, chapter 2, pages 18-19. Okay. So children, I hope everyone understood. So practice this page nicely. Okay.